guys, what's up? It's your girl Dolly Roman, and yes, I am back with another video today. So as you guys can see from the title, we are unboxing the So Icy collection. I'm so excited. I've been working on this little project for some time now, and I'm so happy to show you guys what I've been working on. So this collection, of course, is icy, very icy themed, very blue, very winter, and I'm so excited to show you guys. So let's jump right into it because I don't want to ramble too much. This look, I used most of the products from this collection in this look. So you guys, I did film a tutorial, so that will be the next video up that comes after this, but this is our collection reveal, so let's get into it. Well, this is one of the boxes that I will be giving away for this collection when I ship out orders. So this is just what it looks like. It's so freaking cute. And then there's a little surprise in here. So as you guys can see, like the snowflakes and the blue, you get that kind of idea. So this is how the box opens. It reminds me, this is going to be so fat, but you know, this reminds me of a Happy Meal. You know how Happy Meal opens? Okay, so the first thing you guys see, which is in here, it says Burr. It's something icy in here. So this is my little marketing I came up to go with this collection. I just thought it was really cute. So I made, yes, I make graphics if y'all don't know. So I made this, and it has all dolled up cosmetics in the corner there. So when you open the box, if you were to, okay, so let's just say this. So I am offering bundle deals this go around with this collection. I did not originally do that with my OG collection. So with I'm offering bundle deals, and so like if you were to order a bundle deal, this is exactly what it would look like. So you get a box similar to this, and it will look like this, and it will have all your goodies in the inside. So let's just jump right into this collection. So the first thing I'm going to start off with, so as you guys know, my main lash collection is 25mm lashes. I love 25mm lashes. Most of my customers are in love with 25mm lashes, but I have to cater to all the girls. So we have a 6-piece 20mm to 22mm lash collection. So we have 6 new pairs of lashes, you guys. I'm actually wearing one of the styles today, so let's just jump into it. So my original collection is named after ladies in my family, my mom, my sister, my niece, and my grandmother's. And I had another pair that was originally named after my older sister, but I took it out of stock. But she's back. She's new, she's shorter. So these are the Melody lashes, and this is what they look like. All the Melody lashes do have this pink glitter paper. That's how I can know who is who. So this is what they look like, and this style is a 22mm style. They're just like the 25mm lashes, but shorter. So if you love shorter lashes, these are the ones for you. This pair is called Clueless. Now this one is a 20mm lash, and Clueless is my favorite movie, so that was the inspiration behind this name. So this one is called Heather. Now this one is like, it's kind of like a mix of I want to say like between a 15 to 20mm lash. This is like your everyday lash for the girls who like the shorter lashes for every day, and this one is named Heather, and I named this after the movie Heathers. That's one of my favorite films as well. So the lashes that I actually have on right now in this pair of lashes, this is the lash style Prissy, and that's what they look like. They are so freaking cute. Like anybody who knows me, y'all know I like a lash that's a little wispy, and I like lashes that have a range of different lengths within one lash. I don't like one size lashes. So yeah, and Prissy was just, it just added on to like my pretty girl type of thing, right? So these lashes are called Marcie Fox, and if y'all don't know who Marcie Fox is, why are you even here? No, I'm joking. But these are called Marcie Fox. And these lashes, which you guys, I might as well show you these ones too. They're the last pair. So these lashes are called Jawbreaker, and Marcie Fox and Jawbreaker go together, because if you've never seen Jawbreaker, which I have a video, like my Halloween look I did, it was Jawbreaker inspired. Marcie Fox is one of the characters from the Jawbreaker movie, so of course they had to go hand in hand. So that's that. So these lashes will retail for $10 each. You can also get I'm also still running my 3 for $20 deal, or you can get the whole lash collection at a base price. And like I said, I will have bundle deals as well if you are interested in getting other pieces of the collection. So let's jump right into the other thing. So for this collection, we have 3 new glitter shades. I used all 3 of these on my eye today. So yeah, so this shade right here, this is like, we can call it like a baby blue or robin's egg blue, but this shade is called Frozen. And yes, it's giving you very much Anna and Elsa, so I had to name that. This one is called Arctic, and it's just like this, I can't really explain this color, but it's like a mixture of like a blue and silver. It's a really beautiful glitter. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's the 3rd shade in my ombre on my eyes. And last but not least, we have the Glacier glitter, which is a blue sapphire chunky glitter, and this thing is bomb. Also, like I said, all the glitters are on my eyes. Here is Icy, Frozen, Arctic, and Glacier on my eyes. Okay, so that's just what they look like. All right, so I also am offering something new this time around. So somebody did ask me, like, when would I be coming out with an eyeshadow palette or whatever, and so we'll see how that goes. We're not going to talk too much about it. Just know that that's something definitely down the line in the works, so I'm really excited about that. But in the meantime, I wanted to find a product that was versatile, that you can use on your eyes and your face. So this time around, I have loose pigments in my collection. Like I said, they are eye safe and face safe. There are 3 loose pigment shades. I'm not going to open them because, if you guys know, loose pigments are extremely messy. So I'm just going to talk about them. I'm actually going to put a picture, like not a video of what each one looks like on the side here. So I've been using this, like I kind of been sneak peeking this the last couple of times I've been doing looks and things like that. So this particular loose pigment is called Snowflake, and it's just a white like shimmer. I actually have it now. I had it on my eyes under Icy. I have it on my face and my highlight, and as y'all can see, yeah, I don't really need to talk about it too much because y'all can see what it's giving, what it's doing. Okay, so the next one that I have is called Frost, and so Frost is a silver metallic loose pigment. Like I said, it's eye face safe face, so if you're into like really pretty like smoky eyes and things like that, this would be perfect for you. Last but not least, this loose pigment is called Snow Day, and it's just a very pretty light blue pearl type of pigment. Like I said, eye safe, face safe. You can use it in your highlighter, you can use it on your eyes. Perfect. So something I'm most excited about in this collection is that I have 6 new lip gloss shades. So originally when I started my brand, I had 3 lip gloss shades. I had another manufacturer make them for me, and I'm so grateful for her. And then just something in me said that I wanted to do things myself, so I actually created all these lip gloss shades by myself. So I'm really excited. Now, 2 of the lip glosses that I'm going to show you guys is actually going to be a part of the Valentine's Day collection, but they will be available on the site as well if you want to get them before Valentine's Day. So let me just show you guys what all the glosses look like. These are the new glosses from All Dolled Up Cosmetics. So being that I made my own gloss, I can tell you guys what's in the gloss. So for any glosses that are pigmented, they are made with cosmetic grade mica powder, peppermint oil, and fruit flavoring. There's nothing else in the lip gloss, nothing. I chose, a lot of people when they make lip gloss, they choose to do coconut oil. I personally do not like coconut oil at all. I just feel like it dries out your skin, it dries out your hair. So I went with peppermint oil. No lie, y'all, I'm not gassing, I'm not making this up. I'm an avid lip gloss buyer, and my glosses are some of the best glosses I have ever tried. So like when I say I chose peppermint oil has a factor of leaving your lips from being They won't be dry, your lips won't be chapped, your lips will feel amazing. So let's just jump right into the glosses that I made. So this gloss right here, and all the glosses are in these blue tubes, and I'll do swatches just for you guys. I mean, I will put an extra video on this side for me. So this gloss is a frostbite gloss. So this is just a blue shimmer gloss, and let me just show y'all what it looked like on. Like I said, there will be a video next to me so y'all really can see. So that's just what it looks like. So that's just what the frostbite gloss looks like. Each one is scented. I cannot remember the scents right now off the top of my head, so I will put them down here because I'm horrible with that. Okay, so that is frostbite. The next gloss that I created is actually a clear gloss. I had so many girls asking me for a clear gloss when I did my pop-up shop, and yes baby, I delivered y'all. So I was stuck on between the name of naming these ones. Now this one I can actually remember. So the clear gloss is called Perspex. Perspex is just a fancy name for clear or transparent. So that's what I went with. I didn't want to name it transparent or clear. I had to give it an extra name. So it's called Perspex. So Perspex is either pineapple or lemonade scented. So that's, let me just show you guys a quick swatch. I'm sure y'all all know what clear gloss looks like. And that's just what Perspex looks like. Like I said, it's a clear gloss. You can use this for every day. You can use it with your new lipsticks, with your brown lipstick, your brown lip liner, whatever floats your boat. This is the lip gloss for you. So the last, well, this is not the last gloss, but these are the extra glosses for the So Icy collection. Like I said, I have 2 additional glosses that I will be showing you guys. So this gloss is called Icicle, and this is just my white shimmer gloss. And baby, I actually have this gloss on today, and I mixed it in with my next gloss that I'll be showing you guys. So this is what it looks like. It's just this white shimmer gloss, and it is beautiful. And for this one, I actually use a pear scent. I love pears. I know a lot of people don't like pears, but I love pears, and just these glosses smell amazing. Like literally, that's why I keep sniffing the back of my hand. So last but not least, this is our shade Send Me Nudes. I know it's quite hilarious actually, but it's our lip gloss shade in Send Me Nudes. This is our universal shade. Now this one doesn't necessarily have a scent, honestly. Sometimes it smells like candy, it smells like chocolate to me. It gives off 2 different scents. So I guess it depends, but that's just our universal nude shade, and that's what it looks like. And I had that on today. If you watch my busted challenge on TikTok, then I had with this what I was putting on my lips during the video. So last but not least, we have 2 shades that are already made up for Valentine's Day. There will also be another shade that'll be incorporated, and Icicle will be a part of the bundle as well for Valentine's Day. So let's just jump right into it. Now this one is my favorite. As y'all know, I used to be like an avid pink lip wearer, but like I stopped wearing pink lips a long time ago. But I have to test this out in like my new combo that I'll be doing with the pink lip gloss. So this one is called Cupid, and that's exactly what it looks like. Now this one is watermelon scented, and oh my god, it smells so good. It smells so good. It's so pretty on. I'll actually put a picture of Ziani's mom right here. She wore this gloss. She wore this gloss before I even got a chance. She tore this up. So this is another shade that I really love. Now y'all, I just made this shade, and when I tell y'all it smells like cherry Kool-Aid, I cannot make this up. So this is one of our Valentine's Day gloss. The name of this one is called Roses Are Red, and it's a red glitter tinted gloss. So let me just show y'all what that looks like on the hand. Y'all, it still smells like Kool-Aid. That's not okay. Like, it shouldn't smell as good. Like, I kind of want to eat it, but I can't. Maybe I could, I don't know, but that's just what it looks like. It's a red tinted glitter gloss. So if you try to be a little spontaneous for Valentine's Day, baby, do your thing. Like I said, these glosses are Valentine's Day pre-orders. They will be available with this collection, just to see how they do before Valentine's Day. So that would be really great if y'all purchase. Really, y'all really want to get Cupid though. Like, Cupid is the bomb. Like, all the glosses is the bomb. I mean, period. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this. Like I said, there will be a Valentine's Day collection, so there will be another one of these videos actually coming faster than y'all think. I know you guys are probably like, well, where's the 25mm lashes? The 25mm lashes are still out of stock because we are currently waiting on the packaging to arrive, but they will be in stock by Valentine's Day. So I know everybody loves the 25mm lashes. I freaking love them too. I understand. But I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. By the time this video goes up, the collection will be for sale, so head on over to alldolledupcosmetics.bigcartel.com to make a purchase. As always, thank you so much for the continued love and support. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.